In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently download a single file from Google Drive. This process is straightforward, but I'll guide you step by step to ensure you have a clear understanding of each part. Whether you're new to Google Drive or just need a refresher, these steps will be easy to follow. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to the Google Drive website. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your email address and password to access your account. Remember, to keep your account secure, ensure you have two-factor authentication enabled. Once you're logged in, you should see your Drive's main interface with your list of files and folders on the left. Now, the next step is crucial for those who are in a bit of a hurry or just like to keep things organized. Find the specific file you wish to download, hover over it, and then using your mouse, right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with several options. Be sure to select a single file at a time since we're focusing on the individual file download process. After right-clicking, you'll see an option in the drop-down menu labeled Download. Click on this option. It's as simple as that. Once you click download, the file will start downloading directly to your computer. It will be saved in its original format, not as a compressed zip file, which means you can access it immediately without any need for additional steps like unzipping. When the download begins, you'll likely see the progress at the bottom of your browser window. Depending on your internet speed and the file size, it may take a few seconds to a few minutes. Once the download is complete, you can open the file directly from your browser or find it in your computer's default download folder. This straightforward method ensures you maintain the original file quality and format, which is particularly useful for sensitive documents or media files that you need right away. As an extra tip, if you plan on downloading multiple files, consider organizing them into folders within Google Drive first. This way, each download is neatly categorized, saving you time and keeping your files tidy. Remember, if you encounter any issues while downloading, checking your internet connection or clearing your browser's cache might help. Also, ensure that you have sufficient storage on your device to accommodate new downloads. And there you have it, a simple, easy to follow guide for downloading individual files from Google Drive. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you feel more confident in managing your downloads. Thank you for watching and happy downloading.